From making cooking effortless and taking less time to organizing the kitchen cabinets, we've come up with a handful of kitchen gadgets. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready to take a ride into extremely useful yet affordable gadgets. So now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Number 31. The slushie maker cannot go wrong for people who love Slurpees. Made with durable material, you just need to freeze the cup for 3 to 4 hours and pour your drink to make it slushy in no time. The cup is so easy to clean and reusable. Number 30. Who says no to pizza, but cutting pizza is a little struggle, eh? So a good and non-stick pizza cutter is an absolute need. This easy-to-hold bicycle-shaped pizza cutter is so functional and has a cute color. Number 29. Now this next kitchen gadget is simply beautiful and will look amazing on the kitchen counter, providing you with a fine blend. This blender machine is much quieter and is so easy to use as the vessel is at the top, so you can just take apart fewer pieces. Number 28. Looking for a grater that works great and also doesn't take up much space? This grater fits the bill. It comes with 3 different blades to fit your requirements and is so easy to assemble and use. The suction is great, so it holds well. You can slice anything without hurting your fingers in just a few seconds. Number 27. We all do have baskets in our kitchen to keep and wash fruits and vegetables, but this is a special stainer bowl combination you ever found. By using this, you can soak things and then strain, or you can directly do straining. It'll make rinsing rice, fruits, and vegetables much easier for you. Number 26. Electric salt and pepper grinder. It lets everyone get the fresh ground pepper to pour out on their food, even your kids. It works flawlessly and grinds when you flip upside down. It also lights up. You can turn the knob to adjust the roughness. It runs on batteries and operates automatically. Number 25. Here's a pretty cool idea for you. If your family wanted s'mores in the burning summer, and that's an indoor s'more machine. It's easy to assemble and you can make s'mores whenever you want. Your kids will love it as it's a great fun family gadget. It has no open flame but a heating element to roast a marshmallow. It includes 2 forks to roast easily. Number 24. Your cooking efforts get easier with a handy kitchen gadget or gadgets. So does this smokeless grill. This grill is well constructed and is actually smokeless. Its lid makes a great seal with a great plate. The grill plate, of course, with the water tray and heating element are easy to set up and it heats up quickly. So a great way to enjoy smokeless barbecue at home. Number 23. The next gadget is going to add some fun moments by having waffles in minutes. Plug in the machine, wait for 2 minutes, they heat it, and make your desired waffles. It is easy to use and the batter doesn't stick to the grill due to its non-stick surface. Number 22. Who can resist an ice cream? I mean, I never heard that. For quick and all-natural ice creams, you just have to fill this machine with ingredients to make the ice cream. It takes about 30 minutes to make ice cream without the need to pre-cooling it. The ice cream pail is easy to pull out and wash thoroughly. Number 21. Everything gets stuck in the air fryer basket. Stop food from sticking to the basket by using these game-changing air fryer liners. With these liners, which come in a set of 3, nothing stuck to the basket and has made cleanup easy. They don't impede the cooking process as the holes ensure the airflow. Number 20. Save your money on disposable pods and generate less waste by using these reusable coffee cups. These coffee filter cups can work great in your coffee maker for a much better coffee taste. These are easy to fill, clean, and use. The scoop makes them easy to fill, so it's a great deal to save money on coffee. Number 19. If you're looking for a crunchy ice maker machine for a long time, then you check out its link, give it in the description box. It has a great insulation on, so the ice doesn't melt quickly. The maker works really quietly and you can add water into the water reservoir manually or just connect it to a water source for automatic refilling. It works efficiently and can make ice in 15 minutes. The production capacity is up to 26 pounds per 24 hours. Number 18. Who can say no to a friend that can keep your food warm? The slow cooker can keep the food and snacks warm for a day. The temperature control function works perfectly. The crock is of high quality and is super easy to clean. There's a separate heating setting for each crock to keep them at their optimal temperature. Number 17. The main trouble you ever encounter while maintaining the kitchen is organizing things. So a storage rack will be a breeze for you. And this rack allows you to put a whole bunch of stuff on its 4 big shelves. It works great for putting all your spices in. It is super stable and adjustable. It has great adhesion on the top and a strong magnet on each box to hold them in the place you want. Number 16. Do you not like doing dishes? This countertop dishwasher will wash your dishes. It cleans the dishes well and drains out. The cutlery drawer does come out top if you need to clean bigger plates or pots. It is versatile and you can get inside most pots and pans. Comes with a built-in 5-liter water tank to do dishes whenever you want. It includes a faucet adapter to connect your water tap effortlessly. Number 15. How fantastic does spiralizing veggies appear? But you are able to figure out how to do it? Get to know this gadget that does it for you magically. you can make a variety of cutting with easy-to-change blades. It includes 7 blades to cut vegetables of various shapes and sizes. The suction is very strong and the blades are very sharp. And it gets done in a minute or minutes. Number 14. If you're needing a fair big quantity of chopped veggies or you sell food, then this gadget can make your life easy. Just a minute. You can cut the salad as much as you want. The frame of the chopper is made of aluminum alloy, which makes it durable and corrosion-free. The sturdy material chopper is very easy to clean when you are done chopping. Now this one is going to be a great time-saving gadget and no need to cry while cutting onions. It can slice or chop vegetables in seconds. Its portable design is easy to clean after finishing use. It comes with 4 different chopper blades to cover multiple vegetables and has a large catchy tray, so you don't need to empty it again and again. Number 12. Cutting and chopping vegetables with a knife is worrisome, but this electric vegetable cutter and chopper works on the press of a button. This handheld cutter is portable and you can directly put the ingredients into the pot or simply use it for the depth cleaning. The set comes with a chopper, cutter, peeler, spatula, brush, and data cable. Number 11. Your kids love cherries, but it ain't safe for them to use a knife to cut pits out, or your kid might get a pit stuck in his or her throat. Can't think of that. Here comes a cherry pitter that has no metal parts and works easily, really quickly. It can pit 6 cherries on one go and has a container to separate the pits. So you can just, press and lift up the lid. It means a super easy and clean way. The gadget fits over the lip of a bowl and is adjustable according to its size. Number 10. Looking for a fridge with a lovely style that fits your slim space? This fridge can cool your food rapidly while consuming less energy. It has enough space to store your favorite foods and almost all of them. The handles are made of durable plastic and it comes with an LED light that illuminates its interior. The fantastic retro-look fridge looks cute in your kitchen and is totally frost-free. Number 9. Who doesn't love to have a fluffy omelet for breakfast? Here's a gadget to make 2 fluffy omelets quickly. Its non-stick surface makes cooking easy and you just have to put your secret ingredients, close its lid, and set the optimum temperature. The gadget is not only for omelets. You can make pizza pockets, frittatas, and much more. Number 8. Try this toaster and you won't be disappointed. This retro toaster looks eye-catchy in your kitchen, but the real asset is how it works. The toaster's wide slots let you prepare much more, such as bagels, bread, waffles, or English muffins. It comes with 6 different browning levels to choose from, so you can make a perfect toast for yourself by using the knob. It also has a crumb tray on the bottom to catch scrap bread and a dust cover to keep it clean. Number 7. Are you a bustling person? Go check out this rapid boiler to prepare your breakfast really fast. The heating system boiled and poached eggs quickly without making you wait for minutes. It can boil up to 14 large eggs and 2 poached eggs simultaneously. Do not worry about the over-boiled eggs. Its indicator lights up and informs you when your eggs are cooked just perfectly. Number 6. If you ask what's the best thing for washing dishes, that for sure will be the soap dispenser. The gadget is way more convenient and takes up very little space. It's easy to clean and refill. It avoids using too much soap and you just have to push your sponge once or twice to get enough soap every time. It comes with a rubber base that doesn't let it roam around. Number 5. This folding dish drying rack is your everyday need. Roll it across the sink to put some washed items on it to dry. All the water will just drip back down into the sink. The stainless steel tool is so handy so it can roll up to the edge of a sink when you don't need it and quickly rolls out across the sink again for quick drying. Number 4. Messed up again with storing all your dry foods and snacks? Check out these food storage containers. They will help you organize all your food in your kitchen or pantry. It comes with 4 non-leak slide locks that can even hold liquids. The container is made of durable plastic that lasts longer and keeps your food absolutely fresh. Number 3. Wait, no need to have junk food, unhealthy or artificial sugar snacks because a gourmet food dehydrator is in town now. It comes with 5 BPA-free trays to prepare lots of all-natural snacks at a time. The temperature control button allows inserted items to dehydrate and dry at their optimal temperature. This hydrator is perfect for drying all your garden herbs, fruits, and vegetables to make 100% organic and healthier snacks. They'll keep the food fresh and retain the nutrients. Number 2. Who doesn't want to live a healthy life? For this, you must have to make sure the food is safe. Food cleanliness detector tests the washing water to detect any impurities in the water so your veggies and fruits will be poison or defects free. It is designed on modern technology to detect harmful chemicals, pesticides, and pollutants in the water. Number 1. Slicing bread perfectly is a mess? Well, not anymore. This bread slicer will cut the bread into uniform, equal, and clean pieces with zero mess. It comes with several options for controlling bread slice thickness, for instance, medium, thin, or thicker slices. The slicer contains an underneath crumbs catcher, a stainless steel knife at the end, and magnets to hold the knife in place. It's super easy to clean and folds up to take minor storage space. That's all. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can get an update every time we post a new video. See you in the next video.